Welcome to Lotus, your ultimate top 4 mastering Unity game creation. Dive into a brand new Playmaker visual scripting tutorial series, forging a super medieval action epic. Included fluid, combo-driven swordplay, intense and precise melee combat, treating directional attack and defense duels, and more. No coding required, everything is built using Playmaker's powerful, intuitive visual notes, smooth surfacing controls, perfect parry systems, intelligent enemy AI, stamina and poise mechanics, brutal execution finishers, deep combat progression, and epic boss battles. This video is sponsored by Canixel Card. Create your free secure digital wallet in seconds, no credit card needed, unlock free assets, resources, and tutorials instantly. Structured episodes take you from zero to polished prototype, covering foundation, combat mastery, core system, polish, and bonus features like seals. Build your legend, subscribe now, and turn on notification. The first episode is coming soon. Coming Slaughters, Soul of the African Art.